What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polygon Matic. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Webull, valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. So, and let's start with their official website. Right here you can find the definition of this protocol. And let me quote it for you. Polygon is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks, aggregating scalable solutions on Ethereum supporting a multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem. So, in other words, this protocol eliminates all the problems of scalability of Ethereum network. And as you can see, it has so many features and it has so many projects. On top of that, I can show you this list of projects that already use this protocol, and it is very long. So this list is very meaningful for this company, and it is very promising that this company will be successful and will achieve much more results in the future. And let's continue with the total crypto market. As you can see, today's sentiment on the crypto market is bearish. All the cryptocurrencies are in red, and we have 5.26% decrease over the last day. And that's why Polygon also is in red. And it is down for about 11.6%. And its total market cap for now is $9.3 billion. And we have increase in volume during last 24 hours, and for now it is $1.8 billion. So the sentiment is red, and let me show you the price action. So as you can see, I made my previous video somewhere at this point, and I've told you that from this candle, this is an extremely bullish candle, it calls hammer. From this candle we might go up, and we have this movement to the upside, and we hit 55 moving average, and for now it acts as a resistance, and we bounce back from it with very huge volume, as you can see. And we again hit our accumulation point. Let me show it to you. We hit 0.5 level from the bottom of entire structure to the top, and it is our accumulation point. But I have to say that from this point, with the total red sentiment on the market, we might go lower, and that's why you have to be extremely cautious. And if you decide to invest in this asset, please follow my 3 simple rules. Do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Do not go all in, and do not put stop loss close to your entry price. This is very important because you can ladder your buys down only if you invest just a fraction of your money. So, and let me show you the correlation between Bitcoin and Polygon. And to compare these two assets, I add Bitcoin USD on this price scale, and it will be from Coinbase. So let me change the color. Okay, what do we have here? From the late April till the middle of May, we don't have a correlation between price action of Bitcoin and price action of Polygon. But since then, as you can see, from this peak and this peak, we have absolutely the same price action. So if we compare it like this is the bottom of Bitcoin, this is the bottom of Polygon, swing bottom, this is the top, and this is the top. And again, this is the lowest point of Polygon and lowest point of Bitcoin. Then Bitcoin went up and Polygon went up absolutely the same manner. Here is the top, here is the bottom, here is the bottom, here is the top. And for now, Polygon mimics 100% the movements of Bitcoin. That's why we have to keep an eye on Bitcoin. And let me switch to Bitcoin chart. And here is the latest chart and the latest price action of Bitcoin. As you can see, I drew this triangle, and basically we had this breakout. But it was a false breakout, and we continue to hover in this range again. And for now we have very good volume, and we have this breakout. And basically it is a real breakout, and unfortunately we broke this formation to the downside. As you can see, we hit this previous bottom, and it acts as a support for now. We might bounce back a little bit, and then we might test lower levels like this one and maybe even this one. this bottom. And on top of that, let me show you daily time frame and the log scale. Right here you can see the pitchfork tool, and it was pulled from the end of 2018. This was the peak of 2019, and the third point was at mid of March 2020. And our key point is this median line. As you can see, we hit this median line with this price action and bounced back from it. But for now we didn't hit it again, and this median line might be very strong support for Bitcoin. So you have to keep an eye on Bitcoin, and depending on its movement, we might make some projections on a Polygon. So let's continue with the Polygon Matic, and let's switch off log scale. So what do we have here? Basically, we have a possibility to hit our next potential accumulation point at 0.618, 0.65 levels. And these levels is retracement levels from the bottom to the top of the entire structure, from the end of April till the mid of May. And this level statistically is the most probable level of trend reversal. And let me remind you that we are relatively safe because of this deep retracement from this top to this bottom, because until this pivot holds, our targets are still the same. And let me show you that I define targets by pulling a Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top, and third point at the bottom of the retracement right here. And as you can see, here is the bottom for now. And until this pivot holds, our targets are the same. And let me show you that with the assumption that this is only the first wave on a greater scale and this is the second, we have a possibility to land the top of our third wave. And the most probable level of the top of this wave is 1.618 extension, and it is at $4.64 mark. And the more aggressive target is right here at 2.618 extension level, and it is about $7.06 price point. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. You have to keep an eye on this price action, and if we will go lower, this is your next potential accumulation point. And from this point I'll do another update if we will hit it, or maybe in a couple of days I will do an update anyways, and we will see what is the price action and what to expect next from this token. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!